Hi everyone, I am the Winter Bunny and today I'll be showing you how to make clear slime, and it's really easy to make, so let's get started. You will need something to mix in and with, some PVA glue that's clear, some activator, and optional some food coloring. So we're going to start by pouring in our glue. And then optional, you can add in some water as well, like that. And now just add in your activator, so it's half a teaspoon of borax into a cup of water. So I'm adding a little bit at a time, and just mix. Now I'm just adding in some more. So just keep mixing and adding in a little bit at a time until your slime is fully clumped up together. And you can also add some food coloring as well, only if you want to. Now just take it out and start kneading it if you need to, and if it's still sticky, just add a little bit of activator. And also you can clean up the extra little bits from the spoon and from your container. So now you're done, and don't forget to leave it in an airtight container to make it fully clear. And I'm just going to mix it with another slime, so I'll be right back after a few days. So I've come back after a few days, and I also decided to make it pink, but here's what it looks like, and it's really clear. And now time for some ASMR. Remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye!